So anyone in Indonesia. So I to live in Indonesia as well.
Okay, so I think this the respect or Pancasila respect the
Yeah.
choice, and I think it's also our how to say this is to show how as Indonesian people to appreciate and to respect another person's or another people's choice, right?
Yeah.
So, guys, yes, talking about the nationalism of our community, especially for the young generation, because I saw in the social media for today, my friends, all of my friends, I don't know with you. Is that the same also every people every my friends in social media make a post about the Pancasila's day. So is that show the our nationalism, or what about the people who do not make any post about Pancasila? So
Me? So actually it is not bad. Why I say that? So because yes, at least they already to post. So basically, if we compare when they, it will give show. We can say they care about the Pancasila even if they just post about the Hari Raya Pancasila, for example, rather than not at all. And I think we can appreciate what they do that. I think yes, it's not problem. I think so.
So
Thank you.
okay, are you also make a post for today's Pancasila Day?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, Mr. Diaz or Mr. Rifki?
What? For Pancasila, I just remember, you know how many tile in Garuda?
Oh
That is egg. You know what I mean?
yes, I know. I see.
And how many in wings? You know?
Yes.
A45. we
17845 ya.
Yes, we must know that is identity for Pancasila.
Yes,
For Garuda.
we've learned about this from
You do
the
not remember
elementary
that?
school, right?
Yeah.
So in food sorry.
And Garuda Street.
That is how is this name is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika.
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah,
name
yeah.
is we different but we still same.
Yeah.
That
I
is
see. Bhinneka
Indonesian.
Tunggal Ika. That's one of the, I think, implication from Pancasila, right? Bhinneka
You know,
Tunggal
from
Ika.
the head the bird from Garuda and until the what is ekor tail. That is the meaning of the Indonesian is what is 17 Agustus 1945.
17845.
Yeah.
Yes. So smart listener, this is our style in Smart Up Your Life. If you do know how to
You forget.
say the word in English, just
Just
say
say
it. Do
in
not
Bahasa.
hesitate. Yeah, in
Right,
Bahasa,
right.
it's okay
Right.
because we learn together in this program, right?
Right.
Talking about the Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, Garuda, and so on, we have learned about this in elementary school, right?
Yeah.
So I'm curious to know what's your unique experience in elementary school related to this Pancasila. Maybe you have experience when in flag ceremony. Maybe you are chosen to be the reader of Pancasila, or someone who wants to share the story of the unique experience in elementary school, or in senior high school maybe also.
I have one experience that is yeah a little bit because what the one of the reader from Pancasila not come in ceremony, so I will be the reader, but I don't know how to read Pancasila in ceremony. Just that's something like embarrassing, but that's good experience for me.
So
Because what that is my identity. Why I must to learn after that.
Oh, yeah.
After this gitu.
Oh yeah. So the first time you don't know how to
Yeah.
read Pancasila, and
And
you are
my
even
teacher chose me, you, Rifki, you can be a reader. Oh my god. Yeah, I just
Oh, yeah.
yes.
Okay. So another maybe Achang or Herul, Miss Sally.
Yeah.
Is there you have any experience?
I don't think I have an experience reading Pancasila in back to elementary school. I don't know.
Yes.
Mostly in my school, it's mandatory. I don't know. Maybe different from every school, but in my school, in my experience, it's mandatory.
Oh,
To read the
okay.
Pancasila.
It must be a man. Oh, okay. To be a reader.
Oh, wait, teacher maybe. Teacher or man? I forgot.
So one person. If in my school, the Pancasila, how to say, read it by the leader.
Teacher.
The leader of the ceremony, which is our kepala sekolah.
Yeah, headmaster.
Sometimes
Yeah.
teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And that
That
still
some-
exists right now, yeah, in
Or
the
do it.
schools.
Our duties just repeat, right?
Yes.
So we never just follow and repeat.
This is small thing, but we think. What is it?
Okay.
How many time back ago when you the last time you read the Pancasila, Kadias?
It's a long time. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay. That show how old are you?
That's what I mean, you know.
Oh yeah. Okay, Herul baby.
You're fresh graduate.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Couple of years.
No, never. Never. We never like had any experience to read out loud.
Really?
We follow when we have the ceremony.
Yes.
But in a special day, in a special moment, we don't have to. I mean, we didn't really to read out loud the Pancasila.
Yeah. I agree.
Yes.
About posting. I mean, we post into social media. No, I didn't post any kinds of Pancasila or
Greetings.
pictures.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Because I think some people just want to remind the other people this is the Pancasila day, but so I just see and okay, I know the day it's Pancasila day, so I don't want to follow anyone to post.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay, guys. In nowadays, do you see many people, or maybe in some cases, I know this Pancasila only have 5 points of sila, but there's also sometimes we forget, and I don't know, the sila is terbalik gitu. So, nah, from your point of view, how to make our people or even our kids in the school memorize this Pancasila, even in the in the bad condition. I mean, didadak sekalipun, they will memorize it. Because there are many cases, right?
Yeah.
Even our government too, when they how to say, when they memorize the Pancasila, they didn't memorize it.
They have idea?
How to make memorize in?
Do you get my
Yeah.
point?
Yeah, I get. We get it.
I remember the case.
Yes.
Gotik.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's
Yeah.
the unique of
In our
Maybe we'll be
head,
next
this
one.
is an easy
Easy
order,
way.
right?
Remember.
But there's so many people, get bullied because of they didn't memorize the Pancasila, right?
But she got Duta Pancasila.
Yeah.
After that.
Maybe because maybe after that.
Use your microphone, please.
maybe after that she learned a lot about Pancasila. That's why she become the duta of Pancasila after that.
Yeah.
The
The ambassador ya. Okay.
But I think it's not really important to memorize it. What important is you know the value. You know the value.
Understanding
As
of
a
the
human-
value.
Understanding of the value. I think it's how to say manusiawi,
Humanity.
I don't know. It's
Mistake.
manusiawi. It's manusiawi if you forget
Oh,
the
community. Normally.
it's natural. It's normal.
Normally.
It's a normal as a human.
Manusiawi, normally.
As a human being, if you forgot the Pancasila, as long as you know the value and you remember the value and you apply the value in your real life, that's all matter for me. So, for example, if people post the Pancasila to remind another person about Pancasila, I think I still appreciate it.
Yes.
It means that they are better than you don't post anything. I mean, they have a little bit effort to remind other people. Rather than the other that not post. Maybe that's the way they express their patriotism. Patriotism. That's the way they show the patriotism nowadays.
Okay. Another statement maybe?
Okay.
Actually, Pancasila. Actually, for me, I try to remember what I say because actually, when I flashback, actually, I'm little bit know about Pancasila. Actually, Pancasila is it's magic. Why? Because a lot of countries in the world learn study about Pancasila. They feel amazed with Pancasila because special all of values are amazing
Because they haven't.
yeah, exactly. For the third, I like it. I like the value of the third, unity of Indonesia. Why? Because we are diversity, the richest cultures in the world, and the people in our broad country, how to say, heran how Indonesia can make unite each other from Sabang sampai Merauke and to diversity. How can they made it? Yeah. So, and also we have a democracy, one of the highest democracy in the world in Indonesia.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This is the value of Pancasila itself. So that's why Pancasila, how to say, have a highest value actually in the world, one of highest value in the world. That's why the peoples and the government from all of the world observe this our Pancasila. Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, that's my reading experience actually. I just try to remembering my forgotten information about it.
Well, it's
Yeah.
good. Okay, so the another foreigner countries are wonder
Yeah.
to see Indonesia and amazed with Indonesia because
Very.
of this Pancasila. Wow!
Yeah.
So we have to be proud.
Proud.
of it to be
My
Indonesian
ideation.
people. Yes.
Yeah, I remember what Mr. Tia said. That is how to the magic Indonesian make united, because that is from Pancasila. Just remember it, what the historical from Indonesian, what happened in Indonesian, to be together to merdeka. Pasti benar merdeka.
To get
Freedom.
the freedom
Get
against
freedom
the
and to
the enemy.
get the Independent Day.
Yes. Okay.
And before I and my what I said, this who is know the validate for Pancasila and who is the recommended about Pancasila. Who is remember that? Three
Founding father Soekarno.
Oh yeah.
Soekarno.
Yes.
Soekarno,
Hatta,
Hatta,
and Muhammad Yeah.
Ooh.
And Muhammad Yamin this is one of apa sih pencetus dari salah satu
the founding father.
Pancasila.
The founder.
And the valid from the Pancasila is BPUPKI.
Oh, yeah.
Validity. You mean?
Validity,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, well, it's a good information.
Yeah.
So we learned about
Very
history.
knowledgeable.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Mr. Rifki, for
Mr.
the
Okay,
information.
just
Yeah.
Well, in the next session also we will give you an information about the idioms and also vocabularies that related to our conversation tonight, as usual in our last segment. So don't go anywhere, smart listener.